Seems like these niggas coming for the trouble. I'm the young nigga that hit them triple doubles, man. Dots on your head make you disappear, and there's no such thing as fear over here. Cause I'm chosen by the blessed. Niggas can't contest, niggas can't comprehend. I'm the fucking best. Triple check me, man, you better check your profits. Niggas try me, man, I might have to acknowledge that. Bullshit got me every day. Fucking on your hoe, now she say no J. She call me Poppy J when I hit it from the back. I told her don't come through, she don't know how to act. She like the way I spoil her, treat her like a brat. This newfound fame got me really too attached. Man, I see these niggas talking on my name. It's all about the hustle, I get it off the muscle. I hate when niggas be thinking about your pockets. They really hard to acknowledge, man, I tell these niggas stop it. And all these old hoes trying to hit me back up. They try to call me back, but I said I ain't trying to get chose. It's the life that we live in. Yeah, young nigga on a mission, constantly on the grind, man, I never take my time. I take a time when I hit your bitch on my line, cause she looking fine, we can sip some wine. Next thing you know, I'm hitting her from behind. I'm a young J stroker, fuck around and deep choke her. Now she going crazy and I might just revoke her, man. And you know who we are, coming from the bottom, yeah, we came so far. Yeah, I got some scars, but I'm still a king. Niggas try me, man, they getting out they dreams. Ain't shit sweet and it ain't what it seems. Yes, I am the king, bitch, kiss on my ring, man. Kiss on my ring, man.
Hey now, yo, okay, right, hey, it's the smooth beat that get on every time. I told your girl come through, I hit her from behind, then I tell her press rewind. We do this every time. She said she like my passion and my style and my grind. Oh, and we do this every day. Coming from the bottom and the Lord know I pray for this. The Lord know I wait for this. It's time for me to make with this. Oh, hit up my nigga Steven. He gon' get you right. He gon' break you even, man. And we really too official. Man, I used to wear them stripes. Yeah, I'm too official, man. Only a real one gon' know about that.